Good morning everyone. Today I'll be talking about the Sultan Mizan Zainal Abidin Stadium roof's collapse, which is one of the most significant engineering failure in Malaysia. This tragedy occurred on 2nd of June 2009, which is just a year after the stadium's inauguration. Approximately 60% of the roof collapsed, affecting the key areas like the main entrance, the royal box and the public seating. Although no injuries were reported, the incident rendered approximately 292 million stadium unsafe and unusable. The collapse was primarily caused by design flaws, material uses, and management failures. Part of conflicts arises which cause this type of engineering failures in Malaysia is mainly due to the roof's design flaws, which includes a sensitive lattice shell and last-minute modifications, and also lack of proper analysis. Warning signs like cracks were ignored, while defective materials and poor workmanship weakened the structure as well. Apart from that, the accelerated construction for the 2008 Sukma Games led to a compromised quality and safety. Ethical breaches occurred as engineers prioritized cost and speed over public safety, which violates the Malaysian Engineering Board standards as well.
Next, for the factor conflict resolution, firstly, inadequate structural design. This design has underestimated the load-bearing capacity needed to withstand another factor such as the environmental stresses like rain and wind. So the solution needed is a strict review process for design plans should be established to ensure that all the structures are adequately designed. Next, for the poor construction management, this lack of effective management resulted in substandard workmanship, such as the workers were not properly trained and monitored during the construction project. By providing through training program for all the workers and supervisors, and strict inspection should be conducted regularly. Next, for the inadequate material, the material used does not meet the industry standard for strength and durability. So the solution needed is a strict guideline for material selection, and also the regular audits for supplier and adherence is the best can do to further enhance material integrity.
Hello, I am MUHAIMIN ZAINUDIN from Electrical, Electronic and System Department. The 2009 collapse of the Sultan Mizan Zainal Abidin Stadium roof in Terengganu is a tragic example of failure in engineering, construction and ethical decision making. Just a year after its opening, the 2,500 ton of roof structure collapsed due to inadequate design, poor quality control and substandard materials show the issue in ethics. Advanced material like Teflon-coated fiberglass were used without proper calculation, and contractor modification were approved without true inspection. This careless endangered safety and health as debris pose risk to worker or public, and a collapse during an event could have caused massive fatalities. The incident also disrupted the local community. The stadium, a symbol of pride and progress, were rendered unusable, affecting sport, cultural event, and social gathering. It also eroded public trust in infrastructure project, raising concern about oversight and accountability. Environmentally, the collapse created tons of debris, overburdening waste system, and increased greenhouse gas emissions through reconstruction effort. This incident highlights the critical needs in public projects to protect communities and the environment and their future development.
Ethics play a vital role in preventing tragedies like the Sultan Zainal Abidin Stadium roof collapse. Principles like utilitarianism and well-being ethics guide responsible action in the construction. Utilitarianism reminds us that the engineering company must prioritize for the greater good by using the good quality materials, ensuring a proper oversight and not sacrificing safety for profit. The roof of the Sultan Zainal Abidin Stadium collapsed twice, once in 2009 and again in 2013. These disasters were preventable and highlight the criticality of failures. The first lesson is the importance of the structural integrity. The roof collapse has shown the serious problem with the roof design and the construction. It also has caused an accident and injuring 5 workers. This even shows the importance of strong designs and proper construction, also a careful check to avoid the disaster. Besides, the roof original design overlooked critical factors like the weight and wind, and also a lack of advanced testing led to its failure. The collapse injured 5 workers, highlighting the gaps in safety protocols like training and checks. Comprehensive design analysis and strict safety measures are essential to prevent such tragedies. Last but not least is the quality control. Cheap, low-quality materials made the roof weaker, so testing the materials and using the high-quality supplies is crucial to make sure the structure lasts and stays safe. The story of this stadium is a lesson for all of us, from the design to the construction. Every step is matters.
In conclusion, the collapse of the Sultan Mizan Zainal Abidin Stadium served as a powerful reminder of the consequences of inadequate engineering practices. It highlighted several critical failures such as flawed design, substandard materials, and poor construction oversight, all of which compromised the structure's integrity. This incident also raised serious ethical questions about accountability among engineers and project managers. The potential for disaster, especially in a full capacity event, underscores the importance of strict safety protocols and proactive risk management. Beyond the physical impact, the collapse left a deep psychological mark on the community. It increased public anxiety about infrastructure safety and eroded trust in institutional oversight. Looking ahead, it's crucial that we learn from this tragedy. We must establish comprehensive review processes, enforce strict quality control measures, and foster a culture of accountability within the engineering community. So this is our references, and that's all from us. Thank you.